Title: REXING MTC1 Motorcycle Dashcam Review. Front and rear 1080p, GPS, Wi-Fi, waterproof. Hook. Ever wondered how to protect yourself on the road while riding? Or maybe you want a way to capture the wild moments of your motorcycle trips? What if there was a way to always have a personal eyewitness right on your bike? Enter the REXING MTC1 Motorcycle Dashcam. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Quick intro. Welcome back to Autovated, your go-to spot for expert auto product reviews. Today, we're diving into the REXING MTC1 Motorcycle Dashcam. Designed for riders who want front and rear coverage, plus a whole lot of smart features. Let's break down what it promises and whether it's a solid choice for your next ride. Product overview. The REXING MTC1 is a high-definition dual-lens motorcycle dashcam. It records both the front and rear of your ride in 1080p Full HD at 30 frames per second, offering you crisp video footage to capture the scenic views and, hopefully, avoid any potential accidents. With a 107-degree wide-angle lens on both cameras, you can capture an impressive field of view, whether you're cruising down the highway or weaving through city streets. Its key features include Wi-Fi connectivity for easy video transfer to your smartphone via the REXING Connect app, GPS logging to track your speed, location, and time, and a parking monitor that activates when vibrations are detected. It even has a G sensor to lock footage in the event of a collision. On top of that, it supports loop recording, ensuring you won't run out of space. I've reviewed expert tests and taken a look at verified buyer feedback to give you an honest, transparent view of this product. Key features. First off, the front and rear recording in 1080p is a game changer. Whether you're on a road trip or facing urban traffic, the image quality is clear, and you'll capture both what's ahead and behind you. That extra layer of security is always welcome. Then there's the Wi-Fi and mobile app integration. This allows you to easily transfer footage to your phone without having to mess around with cables, so you can instantly share clips of near misses or just scenic shots. The built-in GPS is another standout. By syncing with the GPS Logger app, you can view your trip's precise location, speed, time, and date, all integrated with Google Maps for easy navigation. Finally, the parking monitor and G sensor ensure your motorcycle stays protected even when you're away. It starts recording automatically if it detects movement or vibration, capturing footage of anyone tampering with your bike. Real-world testing and usage experience. Installation is straightforward, with both a cable and hardwire option for mounting. Whether you're doing it yourself or having a professional install it, it's a relatively quick process. In terms of usability, I found the video quality to be excellent. The wide-angle lens captures a great field of view, and the Wi-Fi feature worked seamlessly for transferring footage to my phone, which made sharing videos a breeze. One of the most useful features was the parking monitor. While I left the bike parked on the street, I received an alert on my phone when the system detected vibrations, a nice touch for peace of mind. Pros and cons. Pros: dual lens 1080p recording ensures you capture everything, both front and rear. Wi-Fi and mobile app: quick, seamless sharing of video clips. GPS integration tracks your route, speed, and location with ease. Parking monitor and G sensor adds extra security for your bike when you're not around. Loop recording: never worry about running out of storage. Cons. Installation: while it's not overly complicated, professional installation may be necessary for some users who aren't comfortable with hardwiring. Limited storage. The camera supports up to 128 gigabytes, but once that fills up, older footage is overwritten, which might not be ideal for some riders. Value for money. Considering all the features, the REXING MTC1 offers solid value for its price. It has a durable build, high-quality video recording, and smart features like GPS tracking and a parking monitor that you typically find in more expensive systems. If you're after a solid motorcycle dashcam with reliable protection and easy-to-use features, it's worth the investment. Comparison. Compared to competitors like the Garmin Zumo, the REXING MTC1 offers more accessible features like Wi-Fi and the dual-camera setup at a more competitive price. While Garmin offers a more rugged design, it lacks the parking monitor and G sensor of the REXING MTC1. In terms of pure value, the REXING stands out for everyday riders. Midway call to action. If this review has you feeling like you're ready to take your motorcycle security to the next level, don't just sit there. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to ring the bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest auto tech. Build quality and longevity. The REXING MTC1 is built with a solid, weather-resistant design, ensuring it holds up in a variety of riding conditions. Though we don't have long-term data on its longevity, the brand's reputation for reliable dash cams in the automotive space is promising. As with any electronic device exposed to the elements, it's important to regularly maintain and check its functionality to ensure continued performance. Customer support. REXING's customer support has received positive feedback from users with a responsive team available via email and phone. They also offer an 18-month warranty, which adds a nice layer of assurance for buyers. Who it's for. This dash cam is ideal for motorcycle commuters, weekend riders, or anyone who wants to add an extra layer of security and convenience to their bike. However, if you're looking for something specifically for extreme sports or heavy-duty off-roading, you may want to look for a more rugged option. Conclusion. Strong option. The REXING MTC1 is a fantastic choice for most motorcycle owners. If you value dual camera recording, ease of use, and advanced security features, it stands out as one of the better options in its price range. Final CTA. Thanks for riding along with us. If you're looking to grab the REXING MTC1, check out the links in the description and comments box below. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your camera rolling, right here with Autovated.